Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally, another talking video. It's been a little while. I'm really sorry for the lack of posting. I've been so busy with work and stuff now that I've changed my schedule, so hopefully things are going to be a lot more regular. That's why I changed the schedule, because I need things to be more regular. So anyways, without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. I'm really excited to try this new palette for you guys. So today I am going to be using the new Huda Beauty Obsessions Coral palette here. I got this one yesterday in the mail, and it's just, the colors are to die for here. They're so beautiful, and they're just nice, warm, rich, really beautiful for summer. I'll show you guys a little bit more of a close-up. So that is what this palette looks like. You have 2 shimmers and you have 7 matte. There are 9 colors in this little palette. So this palette is about the size of my palm here. It is a really nice, ooh, don't want to drop that. It's a really nice one for travel and for, you know, like taking in bags, because it's so little and it's really just nice to carry around with you. So I've already done my face makeup, I've already done my eyebrows, already done my lips obviously, so I just want to focus on the eyeshadow in today's video. And I'm going to start by going into this palette, and I think I want to start with, I don't know if I want to start with the brown or not. I think I want to go more like vibrant, if that makes sense, because it's me, obviously. So I think I'm going to start by going into this bottom middle shade here, this kind of corally rusty orange. So I'm going to take that on this SL Miss Glam L34 Blend Beauty brush here. I'm just going to dip my brush into that shade and go in and start blending that into my crease. So now that I have that as a transition shade on, I'm going to go up into this upper corner shade. This kind of, it's like the same shade almost, but just deeper. I'm going to go in with that shade, and I'm going to deepen the crease. And I'm going to go in with this ruby brush. It doesn't have a number or anything on it, but this ruby, it's more of like a pencil brush, I guess. I'm not really sure. I can't think of the word at the moment, but this is good for packing on and being a little bit more detailed. So I'm just going to go in and deepen my crease with this. So you might have noticed the lighting changed a little bit. I did darken it. I felt like I was way too overexposed for makeup. So now that I have the deeper shade in my crease, I'm going to be going in with this Makeup Shack T73 brush. This is more, again, a detailed brush, and I'm going to dip into this top middle shade, this red, and I'm going to put that on my outer corner. So I just went in with Tempera from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette just to kind of sharpen up the edges a little bit. And now I'm going to go in with this Deluxe Small Precision brush. I don't have a brand. I got this at a beauty show like 3 years ago. I'm going to go in with that same red and I'm going to drag it onto my lower lash line just about halfway. So I'm just taking the red shade here and I decided to move it all the way into my inner corner, not like blending it into the inner corner, but just taking it to where the inner corner meets, you know what I mean, the inner corner. And I've also decided to like meld it and mend it up with the top shadows here, just to give it that sharp V look here, and then I'll clean it up once I finish with all the under eye shadows and stuff. And I'll clean it up and sharpen it up again once I'm done. Okay, so now that I have all that kind of done, I am going to go on back into the Huda Shadow palette. I'm going to go in with this bottom orangey shade. This swatch has like a pink, almost halo around it, so I'm going to go in with this one, and I'm just going to use my finger, my clean finger, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to pat that on my lid where I didn't swoop in the red. So now that that shade is packed on into my inner corner, inner lid, I am just going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit here. And I'm just going to be taking this top shade because not that shade, this shade here, because it has some pinky undertones that's going to really just help pull this look together. So now that the eyeshadow is all done, I am going to step away, pop on a little bit of liner and some lashes, and I will come back with my final thoughts and kind of my review on this eyeshadow palette. So I've added my lashes, I've added a little bit of eyeliner, I've added a little bit of a decal, and I am very, very happy with the way this turned out. It's very warm and rich, and it's subtle though, like it's not harsh or super bright, which like I mean I wouldn't mind that at all, but for every day if I want to do red, this looks, I don't know, it just looks really beautiful. I like the way the shadows feel too. They're very soft and creamy. The pigment is very nice. It's really buildable, like it goes on pretty soft and you can build it up. Today I just stuck with the soft kind of aspect of it all. The shimmers are stunning. Like the shimmers, I'll show you on the back of my hand here, or on my fingers. They're lovely. Like they're very warm and very pigmented here. And you can see that this one on the other side here has like a pink kind of shimmer halo despite being kind of orangey, which is what I have on my lids right now. Overall, I do really quite enjoy this palette. It's adorable. It's really pretty. It's like a nice size, like I had said at the beginning of the video. It is really great for traveling, carrying around with you in your purse for touch-ups. I'm really excited to use the yellow one in the corner because I just love a good yellow. It really brightens up the eye, especially now that it's summer. It's like ideal time for, you know, yellows and oranges and reds and pinks and all these really warm and happy colors. So overall, I would definitely recommend this palette. It is, I believe it's $35 Canadian. Not too unreasonable for the quality of the shadows and for the, I mean, you're paying for the name, of course. But the quality matches kind of the hype. That's kind of the best way for me to put it, is the quality matches the hype. For those of you just wondering, my lashes are from the Makeup Shack. They are the Dubai lashes from the Makeup Shack. Love these lashes. I definitely plan on getting some more pairs. Yeah, that's overall kind of it for this review demo. Really happy with how this look turned out. It's quite stunning. I don't usually wear giant lashes, but with the lashes, it's just, I don't know. It's Instagram perfect. Speaking of Instagram, all of that is linked down below. Please check them out. I post, or at least I try to post every day. It depends on my work schedule. If not every day, it's every second day. My special effects one will be updated soon, I promise. Please, please, please subscribe to this channel. It would mean a lot. I'm really happy to finally have a schedule that's going to work, and I hope you guys are happy about it too. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. So I am going to go. I'm going to dye my hair again, so that's going to be in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one.